Hey dropshipper, are you still stuck in the big problems like you are getting shipping times from your supplier 20, 30, even 40 days? Then your customers are making problems. They are asking for the refund, chargebacks. Always they are asking for the refund, and you are very problems for this situation. Okay, so right now I will show you everything that practically we last week we did everything's like shippings 4 to 6 days. Okay, and in every screenshot I will show you what product my client are selling, how many shipping times we are giving them, and the benefits also if you work with me. Okay, I will not say just work with me, like I will not say just see my service, how we are giving service and how we are scaling our dropshipping clients brand. Okay, so for example, first I will show you the shippings 4 to 6 days. Okay, so okay, let's go to first of all see this entire process. I have made this entire process one by one, step by steps. Just few minutes I need from you, then everything you will be learn. Okay, so shipping 4 to 6 days. Okay, so this is the shippings like delivery 5 days, China to Belgium, you can see. Okay, P, yeah, so this is the China to Belgium, and this is also China to Belgium. Okay, and this is also China to Australia. So like this shipping times is I mean this month's 2025 11/10. Okay, I mean this is the November, so in November 11th of the date. Okay, and you can see delivered to letterbox, delivered to post office, and you will see that everything has a green mark. Okay, so everything has a green mark and every product has been successfully delivered. Okay, and this is also like Netherlands, it's Belgium, France. Okay, and every average orders is 5 days, 5 days. Okay, you can check. Okay, and then I will go to the next, also another batch of shipping. We have shipped like almost 10,000 plus in the last week, but this is the samples, or this is the uh, one of the batch that I'm showing you. But if I will show you every one by one, it will take a lot of time. Okay, that's why this is some orders that we ship. That's why I am showing you some of the batches order. So this is the also Belgium, and Belgium, Australia. Okay, and this is the France, Netherlands. Okay, and you can see everything has 5 days or 4 days. Okay, so what product, okay, what product we shipped, I will show you. This is the product. Okay, this is the product like 40 to 50 order per day. Okay, let me click. Okay, 40 to 50 order per day. And if I go to next product, this is the seasonal product. You know that it is the winter season. Our clients is focusing on the seasonal items. Like this is the product that has 35 to 45 orders per day. Okay, and this is also another product that is 100 plus order. Okay, every day. So and we are shipping a lot of or every types of products. So if you are also getting like not these products, like if you are getting jewelry, pet products, kitchen, every niche products we are shipping. Okay, in worldwide. And then I will show you what the benefit. Okay, what the benefits for your brand if you take my service. Okay, so the first benefits is exploding customer satisfaction. Okay, wait, so exploding customer satisfaction and repeat purchase 4 to 6 delivery. So when your customers will get a 4 to 6 days delivery. Okay, so they will, when they will get this delivery time, they will be very satisfied, and they will again they will purchase repeat. Okay, and also they will bring more customers, I mean as a refer that this brand is giving us very fast shipping time. So this is very good brand, we can more order, because right now in this year customers actually don't want to wait like 10 days, 20 days, even 20, 30. No, okay, they always want the fast shipping. Even if you can give like 4 to 5 or even 3 to 4 days, so this is best. Okay, for your business. Okay, so that's why we are focusing right now, upcoming year also, to very fast shipping. And this is the next benefit, that higher conversion. Okay, higher conversion rates, lower at cost. It means that your conversion rate will increase, because when they will get a order within the 4 or 5 days, they will come and they will know that this brand is already giving us fast shipping, so right now we can make another order and we will get the same service. Okay, so your conversion rate will increase. You don't need to wait for or to build your brand more high professionally. No, it's no need. If you are giving best service, fast shipping, by your current designs, themes and order page, product page, so this is enough. Okay, and then we can go to the next benefit, that seamless scaling and reliable logistic. Okay, so you can scale your brand, okay, unlimited way, because the fast shipping is a one part of important things that when they will customer will get fast shipping, so your scaling will be high, because your customers already satisfied, they already know that this is a brand, and they will not see or they will not justify other brands. Okay, because you already giving a best service. And then go to the next, that which is premium branding, market differentiation and custom packaging. Okay, so if you have like orders 15 plus a day, okay, for example 15 plus order a day, so you will get the custom packaging free. Okay, totally free. Okay, totally free. Thank you card, custom packaging, everything you will get free from our company, or from my company. Okay, and then reduce risk and maximize profitability. Okay, so your profit will be higher, your risk will be reduced, and you can maximum your scale, your business. Okay, because you are already your refund rate is already lower than your other competitor, because if your competitor giving 10 to 12 days shipping, and if you are giving 4 to 6 days shipping, then you are a best brand in this niche, and that's why your profit will increase, your ad cost will lower, and also your risks, I mean the business loss risk is 0%. Okay, so my friend, that's why and also I'm very very sorry because I didn't make videos for the last 7 days 8 days, because I was very busy to make short video, and also I was very busy in to make for the other projects, because I am also focusing to give my clients for marketing service without any advertising, because I'm giving also Shopify SEO service, and Shopify SEO has a very very good features. If you can build a brand, and if you are also can make your business or your store searchable, then you don't need to spend in ads. Okay, so that's why I'm also giving the Shopify SEO. So thank you so much my friend, and please comment below what problems you are facing in your business about the shipping. I will help you definitely, inshallah. And also any types of drop shipping helps, please just comment below, inshallah I will help you. So